Previously on Dragon Hunter.
I was so inspired that day, I did what any sane person does, and I hired a documentary crew to go and document my quest for the mythical dragon.
Alright guys, we finally made it to our destination. Alright, good night. Uh-oh, that's not good. What was that? Why am I submerged in water? Hello? You good, bro?
Yeah,
Why are we in our lake?
flooded.
Oh, okay. We better get to shore.
What's in the bag?
My supplies.
How did you even get out here?
Well, it's a very long story. I'll have to tell you later.
And I crashed you. What's your name?
It's Gary. Gary Winthorpe.
My name's Ben. Limmerdack.
Nice to meet you.
After swimming through the dreaded lake that was made by flooding, me and Ben took to the highlands so that we didn't get flooded again, which meant we had no choice but to go into the mystery forest. Legend says that there is a very interesting treasure in there, but no one knows what it is.